everyone. Welcome to Food Diary. Today, we're about to make the ultimate homemade pepperoni pizza. Get ready for a flavor-packed journey that's going to take your pizza game to a whole new level. Here's our ingredient list for today's pizza. Check out what you'll need. 1,000 grams of all-purpose flour, 620 milliliters of lukewarm water, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 cup of pizza sauce, 1 cup of sliced pepperoni, and 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. All right, let's dive into step 1, making the dough. First up, we're making yeast water. Mix ½ cup of warm water with 1 teaspoon of yeast and 2 teaspoons of salt. Fun fact, yeast is a living organism that ferments and produces carbon dioxide, making our dough rise and get fluffy. Let it sit until you see that awesome foam. Now let's jump into making the dough. Add your flour to the mixer, then pour in the yeast water and olive oil. Mix it on medium speed for about 7 minutes. Gradually adding the remaining 620 milliliters of lukewarm water. When the dough clings to the hook, it's ready to go. Don't forget to coat it with a little oil to keep it from drying out. Wrap it up in cling film and let it rise for 2 hours. Here's a fun fact. Pizza dough should be smooth and elastic with a delightful yeasty aroma. Next up, step 2, stretching and flattening the dough. Unwrap your risen dough and punch it down to get rid of those air bubbles. Shape it into a ball, dust your board with flour, and place the dough on it. Divide it into 4 equal portions, each weighing about 270 grams. Take 1 portion and start flattening it out with your hands. If you prefer, you can also use a rolling pin. Now let's get to step 3, making pizza. Fold the edges of your dough to create a thicker crust. Spread a generous layer of pizza sauce. Sprinkle on that gooey mozzarella cheese. And top with delicious sliced pepperoni. Finally, step 4, baking pizza. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your pizza for 8 to 10 minutes. When it's out, check the bottom to make sure it's perfectly baked. Pull out a slice to show off that cheesy, gooey goodness. Homemade pizza is awesome because you can customize it just the way you love it. Thanks for tuning in to Food Diary. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll be whipping up a fantastic vegetable pizza.